Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix notes feature not showing, or how I will tell you how you can get notes feature in your Instagram account. This note feature was not available in my account. I have done something which I will tell you and got the notes feature in my Instagram account. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to close the Instagram and you have to open Play Store, and you have to check whether you have updated your Instagram app or not. If it is showing an update, then you have to update your Instagram app. After that, you have to open your Instagram and check whether the note option is available or not. If the note option is still not available, then I will tell you the second trick. For this, what you have to do, you have to grab a friend's device or phone and on which notes option is available. What you have to do is you have to open that friend's Instagram app and you have to add account on that friend's Instagram app. For this, you have to click on add account, and after doing all the things, you have to click on switch accounts, and here you have to provide the details, which means you have to provide your phone number, email and address. After that, you have to log in your account on your that friend's account. After that, you have to check whether notes option is available or not. If still notes option is not available, then I will tell you another trick, which is as you have to click on profile, and after that you have to click on three lines you have to click on settings. In settings you have to click on help and you have to click on report a problem, which means you have to report that problem to Instagram team that they should help you in this regard. For this, you have to explain the problem to Instagram team, which is as hello Instagram team, I do not have notes feature in my Instagram account, even I have updated my Instagram app. Please fix this problem as soon as possible. Moreover, you can also attach the screenshot of the problem and you can click on send, and within few days Instagram will solve this problem for you and provide you the notes option. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.